Pecco Bagnaia failed to make it into Q2 again, making the Ducati boss frown again. Before that, don't forget to click like and subscribe, and here's the full news. The practice session, which determines Q2 positions for the 2025 Sepang Malaysian MotoGP, has concluded, with Pedro Acosta fastest. LCR Honda rider Johan Zarco was second fastest. Pramac Yamaha rider Jack Miller secured third place. Meanwhile, Pecco Bagnaia suffered another disappointing result. Bagnaia failed to make it to Q2 again, finishing in 12th place. Disappointment was again evident in the Ducati paddock, with Gigi D'Aligna not even looking at Bagnaia. Here are the complete results of the 2025 Sepang Malaysian MotoGP practice session.